As you see guys, that Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished today. Bitcoin give us here a indecision candle here, or a doji, or a hammer from above that look bad guys to the market. Let's be honest together, because maybe the market going to give us here that big head and shoulder as we've been talking about. If that happen and Bitcoin fall down and breaking that last low here, that's the top guys, that's the ugly truth here. But we still have hope today candle to come to close above and to push more higher, even that one is possible, because the downtrend as we got here, we couldn't manage to break it here, so things they look ugly guys. Plus we got even here a moving average, so everything look bad here. By the way guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes. Guys, please, if you like our content, go now smash that like button if it's possible. That of course if you like it. If you don't like it, there is a dislike button, even that one smash it. You got the freedom to do whatever you want here in YouTube. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also today we enter 4 trades, let's make it like that. As you see it guys, the Sol long, the XRP long, and the Bitcoin long, that one we used to have it before. Let me show you the earnings of them. As you see it here, the Bitcoin is giving us closer to 40%, the XRP, same thing, the Sol here 14%, I'm going to show you more than that. There it is guys, 41% in the Bitcoin, 31% in the XRP, and 20% in the Sol. We take enough profit from those ones here. Now the market looks like it's going to dump, but also we still have here the XRP and the Bitcoin is still in profit. The Sol now is at red but smaller order size, so if you want to join us and to manage with us the trade like that, to learn even how to manage those trades when they are in profit and when they go against you, you can join our VIP Discord. The link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here. If you see that VIP cryptocurrency guys, you see here without VAT. That means if you join from here and you are in USA or in Europe, that tax sales guys, you're going to pay 25 bucks, but also we're going to pay that $6 as VAT for you. That means they are going to take it from the 25 bucks. So if you want to join us, that's up to you. If you are not from Europe or USA, you can come and join here. That one here, it's still available for you. Well, it's up to you, my friend. Also, we put in everything in your hand. It's so simple, guys, to join us. You come here, you click a join, you finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps. Tell you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me either here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the same pattern, it happened here. Then it pushed the Bitcoin all that much. Now it happened here. That bad, guys, but even here it happened. Then we break it and we move upward. After 3 days, we being green. We're thinking of the Bitcoin is going to go back above. So we got along from down here till now it's still in profit. But also now we're waiting that one here. What's going to happen, guys? If it's breaking here, that's going to be a head and shoulder. We show it to you before. If it's not and Bitcoin to manage to break that downtrend here, that's another story, and we're going to go back more higher. Me, my view personally, it's not yet the top. It's left for a few days. I'm still looking to 127k or 130k. That's my view, guys. But everything can happen in that market because it doesn't follow any logic. Now even the big whales, they started selling today. I'm going to show you everything when we're reaching there. Even that up trend also used to follow here is getting broke now. Now maybe that one is just a normal correction here, and after that we're going to see a mega dump here. Even that one is possible, guys. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. That way, me I said, guys, the things is getting very ugly here in Bitcoin. Look at it, guys. It came a touch here, the 20 moving average here in daily, and it gave us that hammer here, that very bad, guys. That meant that 20 moving average here it's holding. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. Even we can break it, guys. Yeah, I don't tell you it's going to dump from here, but based on that candle will close now, the things still look bad, guys. Let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming hours. That's the only things. Based on lower time frames like 4 hours and upward, we're still in an uptrend, but everything it can change, guys. I think I explained everything. Now it's going to see liquidity heat map, Bitcoin ETF, and Bitcoin sentiment. All is going there to see it together, guys. We started by that one here, guys. Fair and greed index. We are not in high greed. Yeah, 62 here. It's showing we are in greed, but it needs to be the color green. But this time, there is no harm. Maybe the market is going to go more higher. Even that one is possible. Now let me show you Bitcoin ETF to know what happened, guys. Let's go in there to see it. Based on Bitcoin ETF, guys, yesterday, as you see it, our friend BlackRock, the second day in a row, they're selling, guys. As you see it, that's something weird here. You see the first time they sold 4.08k, and yesterday they sold 1.24k. So man, even them, they know something major happening. But here, for today, what happened? Grayscale, they haven't sold and they haven't buy. Fidelity, they bought 1.29k. ARK Investment, they bought 1.32k. PITB, they bought 137. The hodlers, they bought 177. And Grayscale Mini, they bought 67 Bitcoin. The total of Bitcoin being bought today, 3k Bitcoin, but we don't got the data of BlackRock. And I'm sure BlackRock today they buy. But let's wait and see what's going to happen. Now it's going to see liquidity heat map, guys. That's very, very important. It's going to tell us a lot of things. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the liquidity heat map. We have some stop losses here that only in 24 hours. And here, guys, that means the market maybe is going to liquidate those ones, then those ones. That's possible, guys. But for us to know the clear picture, we go from 24 hours to weekly, guys. As every time I've been teaching you here in that channel from the start of it. And a lot of people, they copying us because you guys, you don't support in us. And at the dilemma here, here we are, guys, in the weekly, we got a different picture. You see it, guys, we touch a huge number of stop losses here. Now the market is showing as if it's going to dump to liquidate those ones here. But guys, look at it. Do you see the number of stop losses above here? And I'm still thinking it's going to go back to liquidate all those ones above here. Remember that, guys, because here in that zone here, exactly I can tell you the level, which is exactly at 109k, we got $103 million stop losses, guys. Down here, we don't got a lot. But over here, guys, in that level here, we got a huge number of stop losses. You see it or no? That's why me are thinking the Bitcoin is going to go back to liquidate all those ones here, but that just based on liquidity heat map. Also, we don't enter based on that. Also, we follow price action. Now it's going to see the coming news of today, guys. Coming news of today, guys, as you see it, that the news we got today. Today we got EDP non-farm employment change, SP global service PMI, ISM non-manufacturing PMI, and ISM non-manufacturing price. That one affect a lot the US dollar, guys, so you need to be careful how it's going to come. If we break in that 52 like how it's showing here, the US dollar is going to dump, guys, and maybe the Bitcoin is going to pump very hard, guys. That's why I told you there is nothing to be worried about. Over here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day here in that channel, guys. You see it here, that the Nasdaq, that the SP 500, that the Dow Jones, everything closed the day green compared to the Bitcoin. Our friend down here, the VIX, also been telling you it's still very early till 12. Today it fell down to 17. That's why the market, everything still looking normal, guys. And we're going to go more higher than that. Remember that, guys, we're still going above till we're reaching to 12. That's the right time for you to take some of the profit. Now let's go into see Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here in 12 hours, we touch those moving averages here. Now we're going back to touch them. Let's see if we are going to break it, guys. That's possible. If it's not, from here, it's going to dump again. So we're still waiting what's going to happen here. You see here in 12 hours, guys, things it's look bad, guys. If we couldn't manage to break above here, things is going to be very bad, guys. So we need to break above those moving averages here for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go back above. Also, we touched that very stronger level here. We showed it to you before. We've been talking about it. Now, what it's telling us, we are going back above here, but we need to break that one here. That one, we need to break it, guys, for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go back. Levels, we need to look at them. Let me show it to you. Levels, we still have the same levels, guys, here. That one here, 102, 603. That one here, 108, 570. And that level down here, 98, 840, guys. You can add even that level above here, 115, 640. So those ones, the levels, you need to look close at them today, guys. Now, let's go into see Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here Bitcoin it touched here that huge number of stop losses, then it dumped. Now it's showing to us it's going back. Let's see if it's going to do like that and to give us an up channel like that. That's possible, guys. Because us, you remember what us we told you, we got here the downtrend here. That one we touched it today. Let's see if it's going to break it, because if you came and you do it like that, you remember what us we told you here. We told you guys we got here like a down channel like that. That's the down channel here. We need to break it above here for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go back above, and that is a flag, guys. You see it here? If we break in here, we're going to pump hard. For the short, same thing. We got that one here. Look at it, that one here, and that one like that. And like that, it's going to be like a flag. It's going to be very clear in smaller time frames. So those was what we got here. In 4 hours, let me show you. We got something else here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Let me show it to you. Which is that one here. We fall down. We touch the 20 moving average. Now we are going back, guys, here above. Then we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. Maybe we are going back to touch that 50 moving average. Now also we are stuck between those moving averages here in 4 hours. So also we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours. Now let's going to see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, you remember what else we show you here? We told you it's getting broke here. That means it's going to go back above. That means it's breaking that downtrend as we're talking about. It's break it here. Let's see what the Bitcoin going to do now. We got here now the divergence downtrend here, that one. We need to see when the Bitcoin touch it, what's going to happen, guys. But the only thing, now we're going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. All is going there. Here we are in the Ethereum, guys. Here the Ethereum also we enter from here. It fall down here. We add to it now. Now is it in profit? We close some of the profit now. It closed auto for me because me I set a pending order or a limit order to close some of the profit. Now it closed it. Now here what we have, we still have here that distribution level as we show you before, guys. You can make it even like that, but me I prefer to make it like that to give me here that wyckoff pattern which is very clear as you see it, guys. Here now we need the break to happen here for us to know the Ethereum is going to go more higher. Here we got the 200 moving average, guys, in daily, and now we are going back to test it again. I'm going to show it to you. Let me show it to you. As you see it, guys, here that the 200 moving average, we touch it here 3 times. Now we are going back to touch it the 4th time. Let's see if we're going to break it or not. The bulls is still powerful here. I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, you remember what else we show you here? We told you, guys, look at it here. We got the divergence downtrend. Now we touch it here. Let's see if we are going to manage to break it. If we break it, we're going to see the Ethereum pumping, guys, as you see it in front of you. But the good news, also now we enter to a zone where the bulls are controlling. That way also now we're holding our long and we still playing with it. If you want, by the way, to join us, you want XRP, Sol, Ethereum, Bitcoin, signals. I'm talking here about swing trading, guys. You can join us, and those swing trading, guys, signals also we manage it very, very, very well. And there is no losses in them. So if you want to join us, the link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video. Now we're going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. Sol is going there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. Here the Sol, it's breaking for us the downtrend here. That one we enter along. Now it fall down, it tested here. Let's see if the Sol from here going to do like that. Not possible, but now we got here that one here. That one here is a very stronger downtrend here. And also we tell it to you, guys. We told you we got here a wage in the Sol. Let's see if that wage is going to be broken here for us to know the Sol is going to go more higher. For sure, we got that one here like that. We are going to see it if we break it here. We're going to fall down because that one you can make it like that, like a bearish flag, guys. I know it's not clear. Let me zoom it a little bit. As you see it, guys, here, if you came to the tails of those candles here like that, and here in the top, and you do like that one here, it's a bearish flag. If the Sol breaking here, we're going to see the Sol dumping, guys. So you need to be careful. Where is the Sol going, guys? We got something else here in the Sol. Let me show it to you. As you see it, guys, the Sol here in daily couldn't manage to break here the 50 moving average and give us here a pin bar in the 50 moving average. Now the next stop may be down here 144, but also we still stuck here. Let's see now because the bulls now we try to push more higher because that zone here, as we showed it to you before, we told you we got here a very stronger level. Let's see what's going to happen here. If we are going to manage to come back to the 50 moving average or not. That's what us we doing, guys. Even if a trade goes wrong, we manage to go out from it without losses, and that's why us we encourage you to join us. And believe me, my friend, that 31 or 25 bucks you're going to pay to join us, you're going to back it within one signal. And the good things, there is the constancy and you don't lose. That's very, very, very important. But it's up to you, my friend. We're going to see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, in the Sol, it couldn't manage to break here. That bad, guys. Yes, it's breaking for us. The downtrend here, that one as we've been talking about here. Here in our indicator, it's break it, guys. Yes, we haven't touched it here. It's left for it some room. Let's see if it's going to break it in the second time. That's possible, guys, because the Sol has got volume, guys. That's the problem of the Sol. The Sol is moving a lot, so you need to learn how to manage it. The Sol, it doesn't work for smaller time frames, guys. Smaller time frames, you're going to be liquidated, but it's up to you. Now we're going to see the XRP or Ethereum is doing today. Here we are in the XRP, guys. The XRP also we enter a long until now it's still in very nice profit. People have been with me, they remember also we enter a short, we close it here when we enter a long. Now here we got that, guys. You see it here, the down channel here, very clear down channel. We touch the top of it here, guys. Now there is one of two. Either from here, the XRP going to dump again to the lower of the channel, that's possible. Second scenario, what is it guys? Here, we got a flag guys, or a bullish flag. We are going to break it here and we're going to see the XRP pumping very hard. So as we still waiting which direction the XRP is going to catch, we got something else here in the XRP, let me show it to you. The XRP guys, it tested for us here. We got the 100, the 50, all the moving averages here. Now let's see if the XRP going to manage to break all those ones and to pump hard. Even that one is possible guys. So as we still waiting what's going to happen. And that the downtrend guys, now we are in it. We need to break it for us to know the XRP is going to pump. Now let's going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in the XRP. The good news here in the XRP guys, based on our indicator, we break in here the downtrend here, that one here. In our indicator we break it. That means if we are going to break it here in that one here, like how it happened down here, we're going to see the XRP pumping very hard guys. So remember that. I think I explained everything. If you want to catch a very nice trade with us in the XRP, we told you what to do. Now let's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes guys. Here Bitcoin in 30 minutes is very difficult to trade it guys. Look at it here, pump tail here, now dump tail here. It's very difficult to day trade the Bitcoin those days. That's why also we avoiding day trading. But yesterday we gave the people the following us a short from here. It went back tail above here. Now it go back here. We told them to close it. They close it without losses. Now what is it? The view there is here either that big double top here, that one. We're going to break it here and we're going to see Bitcoin dumping. That's possible guys. Second scenario is it that one here. Even that one we show it to you guys. That one here. Maybe even that one we are going to play in it. So let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. Now let's see our indicator waiting. Our indicator guys, as you see, it came to that wall here, then it pumps, same thing, now we touch it. Let's see if it's going to pump from here. Not my view guys, because for me Bitcoin it's still in an uptrend, and here in smaller time frames when you see a correction like that, try to catch from it along the only things I can tell you. You can even come here and do a small downtrend here in 5 minutes or something, but that's going to lead you to scalping, and also we can give you scalping here. So I think I explained everything to you guys. So that's it for the video, and please guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video in any social media platform you like. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.